features of bookkeeping. It is the method of recording day-to-day business transaction.
Wait. It means as
Only
the wait. Once you read one line, you have to wait. Okay. So yeah, what they said, it is the method of recording to day-to-day business transaction. It means what? As and how transaction took place in the business, that should be recorded. That is the simple understanding or meaning of this line. Clear? Go ahead with the next point.
only financial transactions are recorded.
Again, repeating, concentrate. What I'm saying, financial transaction. When I'm saying financial transaction, so it means it is what money or money flow. Then it is known as financial transaction. Understanding? Go ahead. The third point.
All records are prepared for a specific period, which are useful for future references.
Okay. So then again the question arises, why actually the transaction supposed to be recorded? The simple logic is there for future reference, for knowing whether our business is going on, and for that purpose transaction supposed to be recorded so that one will get the clear idea about the business, how it is going to be conducted or business running smoothly or not. That's why you have to be record the transaction for future reference. Go ahead.
Records of transactions are based on rules and regulations.
So I already said once you are going to be record a transaction, whatever rules and regulations given that you have to be followed. And that's why we have seen that it is also a science. Go ahead.
It is an art of recording business transactions scientifically.
Again, why it is an art? Because it is the depend on the person or an accountant how he is going to be maintained or follow which method of accounting. So that's why it is an art, because it is the personal judgment, we can say. That is what the features of bookkeeping. So hopefully, if you again concentrate what is the definition of bookkeeping, it is an art and science to record business transactions systematically, which involve money or money's work. So in this definition, already all features as well as objective is covered. Clear what I said? Everyone, have you understood? What is bookkeeping? Can you tell, or what we have seen in today's lecture? Tell me that.
Yes, sir. Bookkeeping is it's a systematic recording, classifying and summarizing the transactions of a business and for a particular period, and it is generally for 1 year. And then we even did few features of bookkeeping. It is only financial transactions are recorded, and then it is an art of recording business transactions scientifically, and it is the method of recording day-to-day business transactions.
Okay, very good, very perfect. Yourself.
It is for day-to-day recording.
Okay, or another feature?
And another feature of bookkeeping, it's only for financial transactions.
Perfectly said. And even do you remember the branches of accounting?
Branches of accounting, cost accounting.
Okay.
Then management of accounting.
Correctly said.
And final accounts.
Perfectly said. Very good. So yes. Now, yes, Shreya is asking what is stockholder. Shreya, stockholder, no, stakeholder. Stakeholder means the interested parties of the business. Okay. Clear, Shreya? So everyone, whatever I have said, have you understood this? Surbi, I am asking you the question, you have to be answered now. So we already seen one concept, not in detail, but we just talk about that, business entity. Do you remember anything about that?
Yeah, slightly, sir. So you told that in that owners are not involved. Like you gave the example of Reliance company.
But it doesn't mean owners are not involved. Wait.
I mean, they are different.
But that's it. That is what I expected answer. They are not one and the same thing. They are different. Clear? Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Tell me the accounting year starts from which date and end from which date?
1st April, it starts and ends on 31st March.
Very perfect. And what about calendar year?
starts on 1st January and ends on 31st December.
वेरी परफेक्टली सेट. देखो और एक चीज है इसमें, व्हेन आई विल से ना, लेट अस अज्यूम दिस इज 1st April 2020, सो एंड कब होगा? 31st March 2021. Remember that it's 1st January 2020 and it is end on 31st December 2020. Calendar year within the same, both the things are involving exact 12 months. Clear? Everyone?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Can I conclude that whatever I said you have understood? Do you have any doubt? Even if you have, please ask, I will repeat.
Sir, could you just repeat the three cost management and then
See, earlier it was in the syllabus, now they removed from the syllabus, but this is important. What is cost accounting? This is the mobile. तो ये मोबाइल का कॉस्ट कितना होना चाहिए, वो किस में डिटरमाइन होगा? कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग में. क्लियर?
accounting?
Okay. Management accounting, management has to take the decision whether to expand the business, in which business we should get involved. This all decision is going to be done by whom? Management. So that is what management accounting. Clear? And in
Yes, sir.
financial accounting, what is exactly the meaning? How we are going to prepare our balance sheet, financial statement. What it says, that is said in financial accounting. Means recording, classifying, summarizing. After that is coming what? Interpretation and analysis. That is what financial accounting. Basically dealing with trading, profit and loss and balance. Now it is clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. In the introduction part, why the necessity arises to record the business transaction. So the simple logic is for future references. Correct? Suppose it may happen that Victor is coming into my shop and he is purchasing the goods on a credit and I already sell him for rupees 15,000. Out of that he paid 5,000, it means 10,000 remains. So another time when Victor is visiting to my shop and he will say, see, I already paid all the things. So this confusion supposed to be removed, and for that purpose the recording is happening. So we will get the clear idea how much amount supposed to be received from whom, how much amount we supposed to be made to pay. Clear now?
Okay, sir.
So many things are here. If you see balance sheet, trading, profit and loss, after that you will say creditors, debtors. I haven't explained anything. So I am not expecting कि तुम्हें वो समझ में आएगा अभी. Because it is not possible in one lecture. I am supposed to be explain each and every term. Na? As and how that terminology is coming, I am going to be explaining detail. But ऐसा ना हो कि sir ने बोला ही नहीं, इसलिए I just said it in one line. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so don't worry. ये सब doubt तुम्हारे clear होंगे when I am going to finish our first chapter.